a sweet redemption. I will never let you down. Will it ever get funny? Oh, I wonder, honey, baby, how you make me sway. You say it will. I'm calling your addictive friend. You say it will, yeah. I'm crossing the obsessive line. You say it will. I'm calling your addictive friend. You say it will, yeah. I'm crossing the obsessive line. Saw you rolling steady, took it kinda heavy. Baby, I'm a loving kind. Jaded loving has it doesn't really matter, baby.
I'm gonna give them that 2-4, 4 on the floor like an outlaw boyzone did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more, gotta give them all what they came here for. Doing my thing, singing my song, right on track, I'm chugging along. I'm here and gone like yesterday, rolling like an old freight train. On a wing and a prayer and a glorified Greyhound bus, flying down the road, running 9-0 and kicking up dust. Drinking truck stop, coffee, counting birds on those telephone wires.
Let's go, Jones!
Burning the midnight oil and the tread off these old Goodyear tires. I'm gonna give them that 2-4, 4 on the floor like an outlaw boyzone did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more, gotta give them all what they came here for. Doing my thing, singing my song, right on track, I'm chugging along. I'm here and gone like yesterday, rolling like an old freight train. And sometimes my mind is a million miles away. I know you're sound asleep at home while I'm on this stage. And I'm missing you, wishing I was kissing you every day. But girl, I gotta keep rolling, rolling like an old freight train. It's a mighty lonesome sound when there's not a soul around to help you ease your pain. But you gotta keep rolling, rolling like an old freight train. I'm gonna give them that 2-4, 4 on the floor like an outlaw boyzone did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more, gotta give them all what they came here for. Doing my thing, singing my song, right on track, I'm chugging along. I'm here and gone like yesterday, rolling like an old freight train. Coming on down the line, feel that diesel engine whine, smell the smokestack, hear the gears grind, full steam ahead, halfway out of my mind. Not too far gone to be turning back on, clickety clack down the railroad track. I'm here and gone like yesterday, rolling like an old freight train. Just like an old freight train. Tell me, do you wanna ride this train?
Why do I love that freaking song so much? Legends! Good evening. Hope everybody it is well. It is Tuesday the 5th of July 2022. And as you know, I know HOT's pumping. I know Bitcoin's pumping. But I just got to let you know that I am building the new Airsoft channel. I've got some footage from Sunday. And we will have a very, very famous person. Or he will become famous very, very soon. And this is the legend that is Trevor, right? This guy is amazing. We had nothing but fun on Sunday with this legend, okay? We got into trouble because we threw a flashbang straight down the stairs. And it was a triple bang as well, and those things are freaking loud. So you'll see the footage of me going crazy, like going, this was freaking awesome. And then the marshal coming up going, actually, you can't do that. It's a little bit naughty because it could blow up in somebody's face. So yeah, we got into a lot of mischief on Sunday. So you'll be seeing more of this guy on the other channel, on the it's currently called Two Cops, but I don't think it fits now because there is a group of people on that I play with in Airsoft. So I don't know what we call ourselves, the group of idiots or whatever, but yeah, this you're gonna see more of Trevor, seriously. So look out for the new channel. It is coming very, very soon. I've got a lot of editing to do on from what happened on Sunday, but I'll get it finished and then we'll show you the video. So I think you might see Trevor in the chat. I've asked him to subscribe, so you might actually see him come into the chat to say hello. But this dude's got more money than sense. He has ridiculous weapons, like unbelievable weapons. So if ever you are in the Yorkshire region and you want to come and play Airsoft with us, it's a really, really cool place. Friendly atmosphere. He actually set this building on fire. I think it was upstairs. And he threw a grenade or a smoke grenade and set the building on fire, which was not good. But seriously, team, Airsoft, if you're not doing it, freaking go. Just go and do a starter, because you'll be blown away how amazing it is and just how cool people are. Everybody is really, really, really friendly, and it's a really, really, really awesome pastime. Great for your fitness as well. Amazing for your fitness. So everybody, please give a shout out to the legend that is Trevor. So still not a lot of people in the live chat this evening due to the price actually still coming down. We're struggling. We are really, really, really struggling. But you've got to have a look at the at the bull market. The bull market is coming. All right, the bull market is going to happen. We've got to look at the DXY tonight, because the reason why we're having a lot of stress is the DXY is just going crazy. Now, if I just show you this on the DXY, those of you that don't know what the DXY is, it is the US dollar price against a series of different fiat currencies, whether it's the pound, the Australian dollar, the Chinese yen, and the euro. Now, the euro has the biggest influence on this price. So whilst we are still having trouble in Russia and Ukraine, it does affect the euro. So the euro is weakening, which is causing the dollar against the euro to strengthen. Hence why we're seeing this crazy movement happening with the US dollar. But it looks bad. It looks really, really, really bad right now. But all you need to do is zoom out. This is on the 15-minute, and we've had this huge rise up, hence why we're seeing the Bitcoin drop considerably. But now that we are dropping down here, feel like you're getting a bit of a relief, and Bitcoin seems to be going up. And this is why Bitcoin is going up, okay? So if we zoom out and have a look at the daily, the US dollar, or the DXY, is actually heading into an ascending triangle. Now, as you know, with an ascending triangle, eventually what happens is it does get a dump. So I am watching this very, very closely right now. Now, if you start off from the bottom here and work your way up, you've got 1, 2, 3, and it should quite possibly break down. Now, if you have a look at the tokenomics of this drop, let me just lengthen this to, we're gonna have to go from there and go from that first to the bottom of the support, and then have a look at a breakdown. That should bring the DXY nicely to that 100. Okay, I do have visions I have got up here based on the original pump to the upside. I have got visions of the DXY going up to that 112, and that is based, if we zoom out, it's freaking huge. We're going to have to go back to the weekly time frame, and it's here. Okay, so we do have that that triangle here where we could have seen some kind of pump to the upside, which we did, and that's where we predicted the price is going to go up to that 112. And it didn't obviously work out bearish. Of course it didn't, because the dollar is strengthening all the time. But there is going to come a day of reckoning where we do have that breakdown. Okay, and we are looking to see a breakdown to that 100, which what will do is it will give that relief rally for Bitcoin back to the upside. So we are now at this critical point where you all know where my bottom line, not where my bottom is, you obviously know where my bottom is, but you know where my bottom line is for Bitcoin, and that is at $17,000. So seeing the facts on the weekly that we are now starting to move into a consolidation pattern is great. Things are looking great for me, hence why I am stacking up like crazy. I bought some more. We're freaking pumping, team. It is literally going. This is on the 1 hour. The 15-minute is going to look amazing. Let's just have a look at the movement here. 5.12% today. That's a beautiful, beautiful rise to the upside for Bitcoin. Now, looking at this movement, we do have a little rise with HOT right now, but it is nothing compared to what you're seeing with Bitcoin. And why is that? There is the legend. There's Trevor. Trevor is in the freaking house. Everybody give him a freaking high five and slap some emojis there just to show that the legend is welcome onto the CryptoBits. Oh, that's so funny. We have a brand new subscriber. Just to let you know, Trevor Van Leswer, he is also an airsoft legend from the Netherlands. He did have airsoft guns, but he got rid of them, and now he's thinking of getting back in. So look, you're gonna have friends all over the world. We have friends from Australia. I'm from Texas, America. Butterscotch is from Texas. A lot from Netherlands, Finland, Austria, Germany. It's great. The whole world is freaking watching Trevor, and now you're part of it. You're part of the whole world. So, where was I? Okay, so looking at Bitcoin, naturally, because we've got this reversal. Oh, yeah, Scotland. All right. Don't upset the Scots. Yes, from Scotland. We've got Eurocon from Scotland. Looking at this pump now, I really need to get the circles up. Where's the circles? Circles. Damn it. Where's those circles gone? Okay, I can't be bothered to look for it now. I'll look for it another night. But for now, I'll just do. You'll just get the drawing on, and I'll do a better circle. There we go. So right now, whilst we are seeing a bullish reversal, okay, it's going to happen in waves as to which one is going to pump first. So obviously, right now we are seeing Bitcoin pump. So BTC, there it is. That is what is pumping right now. Okay, and you've got the market cap is rising, hence why you're seeing the altcoins, so Ethereum, HOT, XRP, Cardano, all of those are currently just following the rise of Bitcoin. And what's going to happen is you're going to see an immediate fall with Bitcoin, and then the actual pump is going to move from Bitcoin across to ETH, and all of those I can't even freaking write tonight, from Bitcoin to ETH, and then any ranking from 2 to 25. So that's when you're going to see Ethereum start to pump, XRP start to have a move, Cardano start to have a move, Solana, etc., and Doge. From then you're going to see HOT just have a cheeky little move, and then there'll be some crazy little pumps from the likes of Shiba, for example. So, Trevor, PS, the grenade wasn't my fault. Do not take blame. It was a suggestion at the time. It was a joint effort. At least we didn't get banned, but anyway, it was still freaking awesome. So, yes, that's what we're probably going to see. So right now, just the altcoins are kind of just following the rise of the market cap. all eyes on Bitcoin right now and all eyes on the DXY, please. But this is great. This is a really, really good movement for Bitcoin, and it is going to spark some excitement. Sadly, there's still not a lot of people in the live chat tonight, which is a real shame. But anyway, it is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. This is the great time to get in. Honestly, this, for me, in my opinion, not financial advice, this is the best time to get in, because we have been stuck at these prices right now for what seems like an absolute eternity. Right back here since the 28th of June, legends. This was a really, really good buy zone. Now, if we can break above this here, there's a support, there's a resistance. If we can break above this 20,500, then we are going to be in for a great week indeed. And I think we might actually see a green on the week if we can really, really pump above there and try and get to, let's be civil and try and get to 21,700 by the end of the week, legends. That's basically what I'm looking for. And it looks like we are going to see some kind of reversal pattern. I'm feeling extremely bullish. The DXY is in a position where it does look oversold. Yeah, we are massively in oversold territory. So the way that it's behaving looks right. Okay, this is the freaking US dollar pumping like crazy. All right, that's not normal. It's not normal. What we could quite possibly see is stay up here for some time and then start to see the movement down. Hopefully, we get a beautiful crash, which over the next, what we're looking at, the next 3 weeks, we could actually see a nice little cheeky reversal pump and get people back into crypto. Fingers crossed. So, HOT's having a go. We're above that 21 now. Are we actually pumping with HOT? Team, is it actually going? Holy crap. Yes, legends, we're freaking going. Those of you that bought with me earlier on today, congratulations. You've been making some freaking money today. I don't even know when I bought. Was it around about here? 1 o'clock? Where was it? When did I buy? I don't even know where I bought. Down here. Van and Les were bought. Legend. Amazing. Yes, Crow Support just confirmed that both XRP and Matic have arrived in the wallet. Nice. So yeah, we've got a great support line here. That 2100. We can actually now, if it wants to, it can come back, retrace, touch this support here, and then have a move up. That would be extremely healthy for Holochain right now. We'll quickly have a look at XRP. We'll leave this on because I've got a funny feeling that this could actually go crazy. XRP, legends. Whoa, go on, XRP. Go on, XRP. Screw it. We're doing freaking beer truck because I'm excited. Come on, beer truck. You know you want to. It's going to play in a second and I'm going to have a quick drink. I was some sweet because I've literally just got home from work. Oh, come on. Come on!
It was parked out in the woods, keys still in the ignition. All the cops were buzzing from somebody's bad decision. Call everyone you know, we found the evidence. Just don't let them see you when you jump across the fence. Somebody stole a beer truck, it don't matter who it was. Grab a can and drink it up, best keep your mouth shut. Man, we're good to go, yeah, we hit the mother load. There's more than enough for all of us. Somebody stole a beer truck. You can holler at the moon, go splashing in the creek. You can get as rowdy as you damn near wanna be. We don't build a bonfire, we don't need that attention. Ain't nobody driving home, not in our condition. Somebody stole a beer truck, it don't matter who it was. Grab a can and drink it up, best keep your mouth shut. Man, we're good to go, yeah, we hit the mother load. in the barn, yeah, we parked it everywhere. The party went on all night long, till all the beer was gone. Somebody stole a beer truck, it don't matter who it was. Grab a can and drink it up, let's keep your mouth shut. Man, we're good to go, yeah, we hit the mother load. There's more than enough for all of us. Somebody stole a beer truck. Somebody stole a beer truck. I'll back it on up. Somebody stole a beer truck.
It's so freaking nice to see some greens again. But yeah, look, we've got to look at Bitcoin against the US dollar and currently against gold right now, because Bitcoin is facing some fresh pressure as the US dollar crushes gold. So just be aware of what's going on in relation to the US dollar and gold. So Bitcoin has fallen $1,000 while spot gold gives up 2% as the US dollar strength intensifies, beating the year's previous peaks. Okay. So obviously on the 5th of July, Bitcoin hit daily lows as Wall Street opened and the US dollar saw violent surge higher, which is what was seen earlier on in tonight. And there's data showing that the Bitcoin and USD retreating to 19,281, which I saw on Bitstamp, as the Independence Day long week concluded with a bump. The pair had seen last-minute gains the day prior, this fizzling as the return of Wall Street trading was accompanied by US dollar strength, laying waste to gains across risk asset and safe havens. So what does that mean? So Bitcoin traded down $1,000 on the day, while spot gold shed over 2%, and the US equities market also fell. The S&P 500 was down 2.2%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index lost 1.7%. And we can see on the gold spot just basically what happened. Gold spot went from 1,800 and spiked down to 1,772, which is a little bit scary. People saying that gold is a safe risk asset. Is it bollocks, right? When we've got such a volatile world that we have right now, nothing is safe. This is the new candle that we're seeing on the screen right now. Holo still going green. XRP still going green, legends. What is going to happen with Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to go green as well? Let's hope that we still carry on going green. So Bitcoin analysts have been waiting for signs of a trend reversal to provide some relief to the crypto markets. Hence why we showed you that ascending channel with the DXY. I don't want to change it right now because of what's going on with Bitcoin and this cheeky little pump. So everyone sat waiting for the DXY to crash. If the DXY crashes, this could be a great continuation bullish movement for crypto right now. So Euro hitting record levels, $1.033 at this point. Last seen in years 2002 and 2003. And the DXY, of course, shooting up like a rocket. Bitcoin is still freaking going. Coin Telegraph have commented saying nothing that the euro was heading towards USD parity. In addition, senior market analysts and cubic analysts pointed to how the DXY shed light on investor sentiment over the health of the economy. Over the past week, yields are falling, but the dollar keeps rising. This dynamic proves that investors are rushing to safety with heightened fears of a recession. Holy crap, Bitcoin! 20,474. We're at that psychological price right now of 20,500. Keep an eye on it, team. 20,500 could actually be a ceiling. We've got to blast through it. We've got to get through it. If we want to get to that next level, Bitcoin has to go. It's got to freaking go. It's having a little bit of a cooling off. Is it going to blast? If it does, above that 20,500, it's going to slingshot up. If we get above that 20,500, HOT is looking at trying to have a little bit of a cooling off. You look at the relative strength index on HOT and also on XRP right now. It's like a freaking horse race right now. I'm so excited. So whilst volatility edged back into the crypto markets, sentiment was yet to reflect the impact of the rampant dollar. It's why we are getting shafted, because of the dollar. But the investment is still kind of neutral to positive on Bitcoin under current circumstances. But with such a high movement of the DXY, are people going to jump into Bitcoin ready for that reversal movement back down? You've got to keep an eye on the DXY. We'll have a look at it again in a second. We'll shorten the screens down and see what's going on. Also, what I want to talk about is the DXY being so high as it is. We could actually see this huge movement of the DXY, then a reversal of the DXY, which will cause, obviously, Bitcoin to fly up. But then what could happen? Bitcoin consolidates, DXY recovers, which could push Bitcoin down even further. So take freaking profits. If we're seeing a 10-15% jump with Bitcoin whilst we're still in a bear market, please take some profits, because that could actually happen. Bitcoin takes a massive rise to the upside. Holo takes one of them cheeky 40% rises. Please don't sit there going, this is it, this is the bull market. We are not in the bull market, all right? Please do not get in your head what these idiots say on YouTube, that this is it, this is the bull market. The bull market is not expected until April, May of 2024. Let me get that right so I can concentrate. So what is going on in the chat? Legend, we've got... What have we got? Captain Euro, Mr. Beer Truck song, Van Leswer, Bitcoin keeps going. I also bought Elrond and Avalanche from Van Leswer. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Trevor, it was your eyes when I pulled the grenade out. Your eyes was like Christmas. It was like the Holy Grail. Like, oh! I've been buying for Reeks from Eurocon. Well done, Eurocon. Gonzalez. Fuck Dan Pena. Seriously. That guy just hates crypto massively. And he's a scammer in my interest. Does work. I really start to hate this stupid crypto crap game. I sell, it goes up. Yeah, well, you need to get in your head, does work, that when it's dropping, you just keep buying. Just keep freaking buying, and then eventually... everything is so ridiculously cheap. In the next 7 or 8 years' time, you're going to be like, I wish I didn't sell that 50 Holo, because with Holo now being at $1, that would have been a cheeky extra 50 quid. Turn off my phone. Fuck it. Captain Euro. Johnny, after my 36 days circle, we are now at day 26. So 10 days to go to the next collapse, or we will break up. Wow. Okay. Cycle. Yes, I'm so excited. Captain Euro has been creating some charts, which I should really bring up. Let me add it to the Discord, and then we'll have a look at Captain Euro's work. Bitcoin on the 1 hour changed to 1 minute for lols. Okay, screw it. Let's do it. Screw it. Let's do it, legends. This give the people what they want. So 15 minute to 1 minute. Here we go. Let's have a look to see what is happening. And yeah, it is a great continuation. Look at what these consolidations and reversals do to the relative strength index. Gives it more room to pump to the upside. You can see that we are struggling up here at this 20,500. It's a psychological number. massive psychological number. It would be great if we see a huge pump on the 1 minute. It's going to look great. It's going to look so good. RSI 85 on the 50. You smelled it, Johnny. That's why you bought in today. Legend. Okay, you can only go with the technical analysis that you have in front of you. So do your research, do your research, do your research. Just like what the Crypto Truth told me. So many dojis on the 1 minute. Yeah, you can't run that kind of analysis on the 1 minute. It's pretty scary, but you're right. There is dojis everywhere. I mean, if you do have the brain and the attitude for the 1 minute, you can actually make some serious dollar. So dear oh dear, we've got freaking Kai in the house, right? Kai. So this is how you have the Stang legend. So yeah, Kai, also another Airsoft legend from the group that we have. And Kai is very, very good at what he does. He is just like the ultimate Airsoft legend. He's like a freaking ninja. There's me getting absolutely battered, covered in shots on my arms because I'm always like this. And then Kai just runs in and just legs it back out. And it's like, yeah, they're all dead, John. I'm like, oh, for frick's sake, come on, team. And then me and Trevor are like, yeah, what happened? We've also got Mev. So I'm looking forward to like the full A team coming together. Sadly, I won't be available on Sunday for Airsoft, but the following Sunday I will be. So let's all get booked on for the following Sunday and get some more footage to add to the new channel that is happening. So Kai, legend. Trevor's in here somewhere. I don't know where Trevor is. He's probably giving up because he's like, what the frick are these guys talking about? So this is 1 minute Bitcoin team. Don't panic if you see some big reds. But we are looking right now to see if we can get above that 20,500. We are seeing a ceiling right now, which is looking something like this. All right, I'm hoping that we can break through this quicker than I think we can break through it. Because I want to see some action. Action tonight, team, is what I want to see. Vanaleswa is shorting it. Why? No! We want to see a freaking pump above this 20,500. I'm really, really sorry, Vanaleswa, but I freaking hope you get wrecked because I want to see us up to this 20,700. That's where I want to see us go tonight. Would be great. Don't be shorting it because you know it's going to freaking come down. You just know it is. Right, I'm getting away from the 15 minute. It's too scary. It's too worrying. I can't cope with it. It's not good for my anxiety. My anxiety issues are not great, legends. What's HOT doing? Okay, HOT's doing all right. It's doing all right. 2100, a great level of support, team. Look at it here. There. We've got a good level of support. So if we do have to come back to the 2100, that's going to push our relative strength index back. We've also got a support line here. Look at it. Up, break down below because it was resistance, break up, and then also come down, touch support, and then we could actually see what we're seeing here the second time running. Boom, blast to the upside. Peter Englefield, what's going on? Hey, Lord Stang, hope you are okay. Legend, I am really, really fine, actually. I'm really, really good. Thanks for asking. Yeah, not much to see other than really the DXY. Yes, HOT has had a cheeky little pump. Bitcoin has had a cheeky little pump. This is great. I feel so good. I feel really, 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 really good right now. It's making me so happy that we're seeing some action even during the bear market. I mean, look at this movement since 4 p.m. tonight. Since 4 p.m. Peter, you freaking legend. Oh my gosh. So up to 6%. That's Bitcoin Legends, a 6% rise to the upside. 6 freaking percent. Right. Let's split the screen and let's have a look at the DXY again. Hope my Harmony can rise again. We'll have a look at Harmony actually whilst we are here. Whoa, DXY. Come on, DXY. We're looking for this thing to absolutely just drop out of the sky. The quicker this thing drops out the sky, right, the quicker we can freaking fly with Bitcoin. I don't know why the DXY is so freaking high. I am never singing that song ever again. Never again. Okay, Harmony. Harmony, let's have a look at Harmony. Let's not start on the 15-minute. Let's get a bigger picture. Let's go on the 4 hours. Slick Sumos is in the freaking house. What's going on, Slick Sumos? Holy crap, what happened to Harmony? 18 cents. All right, we've got holy crap. Damn, boy. Wow. That did not go to plan, did it? God damn it. Right. Peter. Let's start drawing the picture and seeing what actually happened to Harmony. Gosh, that's incredible. Okay. I can see what happened. Harmony is actually a really good price right now. You see back here on the 15th of March of 2020, we had this bottom price and a reversal into 2020 and then a second drop here on this support level. Then we had the bull market. Then we had that third attempt here of the support and lost the support. So right now, prices below this, holy crap, I can't believe Harmony is at that price. That price here at 3 cents. And then the drop here, 0.004, is a really, really good price range for Harmony. And like I'm saying right now, even with HOT, I am buying back in. And the reason why I'm buying back in is because we are 4 months away from the end of the bear market, okay? So any kind of price right now, whether it is 3 cents of Harmony or 0.004 cents of Harmony, it's a really, really good price because we're touching the end of that movement below. And I always like to think that certainly these green lines here is it spirals around these prices. So when you get into a bear market, you could actually see the price spiraling in this kind of movement. And it always wants to get back to this green line here. I just got some more I have faith. I mean, Harmony, Peter, ridiculously cheap right now. Ridiculously cheap. And it doesn't have to do much now to 4 or 5x. If there's a good project behind Harmony nearer in the future, Harmony's going to absolutely fly. And Harmony does freaking fly. It doesn't crash down as Harmony like a lot of the other altcoins do. The only real big kick up its ass was the bear market. Other than that, you do get some really, really good cheeky pumps out the back of it. I am seeing this. I'm keeping my eye on this green here. So for me, Harmony is extremely, extremely cheap. at 1.8 cent. Seriously, ridiculous price. We've got HOT here. What's HOT doing? Let's move to the 15-minute. Come on, HOT. Show us some magic. It's coming back to that 2-100. Can we bounce off this support, legends? Look at it. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. 12 minutes left on this candle, but for me, I am fairly happy, and I'm sure you will be super happy at that 2100 support, which is this red line here. Look at it, how it's come up above. We knew the relative strength index was high. Come back for a retest, and it has retested that 2100. We do have a doji candle, which is a little bit worrying, but I'd like to think that this 2100 is a support. If the DXY does strengthen, then yes, sadly, we are possibly going to break down below if it does carry on going up. The DXY, we are literally tied to that DXY right now, and it doesn't feel great at all. It doesn't feel, it's not a really good feeling that the dollar is rising, but it does mean that when it does crash, we are going to see a really good cheeky pump to the upside. It's going to be great. Here we go. We're still green. We are still green. Come on! Come on, HOT! I'm getting super excited about HOT right now. Remember to take profits, though. Don't get sucked into that hodl. If we get a really big rise... Right. Those of you that don't have TradingView right now, freaking get TradingView, because this is massively important. Because what you need is you need to keep an eye on 1, Bitcoin, 2, HOT, and you also need to keep an eye on the DXY. And all you do is in the top of the screen, you can't freaking see that, but I can make sure that you can see it. I'll do this. So up here, team, you have this where it says BTC USDT. Click on that. Just type in DXY and press enter. All right, and that way you can keep an eye on it, and you really want to be looking at probably the 1 hour is the best way that you can see the DXY. But look at this DXY. Look at it. It's freaking ridiculous. That's the price of the dollar against the euro and the pound and the Japanese yen and also the Australian dollar. I mean, what the freak is going on with USA right now? Why is the dollar strengthening as crazy as that? Gold index. Let's have a look at gold. That's not right. That's a freaking crypto. I don't ever look at gold, so just bear with me. Stand by, team. I don't have any. I don't stock gold, so I don't look at the chart. What is it? Gold spot. Gold spot. Can't see it. I don't know. I'll have to do my research on gold. Ah, okay. It's because I've got crypto. There we go. Gold spot. USD. Nope. Gold, gold, gold. Gold futures. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so this is the futures. This is not obviously the actual price of gold, but you can see what has happened. All right, people say that crypto is a scam, but you look at this. A drop of 2% in gold in the space of, this is the hour, 1, 2, 3, call it 4 hours, a drop of 2%. All right, that is huge. That is absolutely huge. Yes, we've had a cheeky rise here, but it didn't last long. It just shows you how volatile the market is. It is ridiculously volatile when gold certainly futures are pretty stagnant compared to what we're used to in the crypto space. So to see prices like this happening, and also commodity markets, the wheat price has dropped $20 just today, the price of wheat, which again is huge. So as certainly the UK is coming to harvest, and obviously the Netherlands is coming to harvest as well, farmers are waiting for that really, really good price, and then they just go, you did have really high prices, but it's harvest, so we're going to drop the price down because we know we've got some fresh wheat coming in. So it's awful, but this is just how the world is working right now. Everybody gets freaking shafted. Moving back to HOT. HOT is looking freaking great, team. Come on, you freaking legend. Keep going. This is on the 1 hour. Seeing if we can push above that 200 EMA. This is looking so nice. I need to split the screen. Let's split the screen and have a look at Bitcoin. I'm super excited. Here we go, team. Was that another touch near that 20,500? So we're at 20,459 right now. You just can't take your eyes off this right now. Honestly, if we break above that 20,500, I'm telling you, we're freaking going. We are going to pump. It's going to be great. It's going to be awesome to watch. 2116 for HOT. Things are heating up, team. Yes. Juan Gonzalez, let's go, Holo. Hello, Holo family. Legend. Oh, yes. Juan Gonzalez from Grand Canaria. How could I forget? Eurocon, Gold Kitco. Gold Kitco? Is that what I should be searching for? Here we go. 20,493. Can we get it? I'm getting it ready because I've got a funny feeling. It's going to be a great feeling if it happens. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. 20,483. Can we get that magic break above 20,500? It's going to be a fast move and a fast down. I don't care. All right, I don't care. It's going to be great to watch. HOT is creeping up. It's just creeping up. 2118. Do you see how that 2100 was a great support for HOT? Fantastic support line. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 20,496, team. I can't go. HOT's going to go. He's going to freaking go. Come on. Bump, bump, bump. Oh, just one more. Just one more. Go. 20,527. Why is it not going? We're above the 20,500. It's time to freaking go. What is going on? Come on, Bitcoin. Yes, yes. Oh, freaking, I'm doing it. We're going. Yeah. That was a short ban.
Never been awake, never seen a day break. Leaning on my pillow in the morning. Lazy day in bed, music in my head. Crazy music playing in the morning light. Ho, 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 it's magic. You know,
does it feel to make freaking money? It feels great. We're sat here on our asses, right? Just making money. Let's go. It's Magic by Pilot. We're having a good night tonight. Things feel great. Okay, 20,750. I can't believe we've got there as quick as we've got there. Could be the next psychological number. But with the relative strength index, which is this down here, being as high as it is, I expect us to actually fall back and try and find some support at some lower prices. But look, we knew it was coming. 20,500 psychological number. There is a buying and selling pressure. There's a roof. And what happens is whilst things are bullish, we get that tightening, that pushing, and then everyone's buying to the point where the bears have to give up, and then you get that pump up to the upside, just that whoosh, you know, that first whoosh. So we've got to get to that next ceiling, which is the 20,750. Hence why we're seeing the wick back right now. Okay, you will freaking get the hang of crypto. You'll understand what is going on in crypto, and you will see what is expected and why the prices do what they do. Hence why we're seeing the red candles now. Look at the relative strength index. You cannot expect Bitcoin during a bear market to carry on with the FOMO. It's impossible. Okay, so what happens is people are taking the money, pushing the money in, and then they've got to take profits. People will take profits, and the price has to come back down, cool off a bit. And we are hoping now that 20,500 could be a nice support for us for some time. It could be a bull trap, all right? This could be a 100% bull trap, and the prices come back down. So this is where you've got to make a decision. You're up 6% in your portfolio. If you've got Bitcoin right now at 19,552, it's now worth 20,574. So you've made $1,000 in the space of what? No time. Since 6 o'clock. The last 2 hours, you made $1,000. Do you take profit or do you hold? That's entirely up to you what you do. Now, for me, would I be selling? No, I wouldn't. Okay, because we're still in a bear market, and we're going to see these rises and these falls. What my strategy is now going forward, we have 4 months left of the bear market. Then we've got the consolidation market followed by the accumulation market. So I'm 4 months premature. I told you all to buy in the consolidation market, but I'm starting to get itchy feet. So I'm buying. If the price comes back down, I'll just buy more. So you saw on Twitter today that I did buy another $120 worth of HOT. And I'll continue to do that every week if I see some crazy drops to the downside. And you'll see me post it on Twitter, which is what I'm going to do. So look, just look at the price. It's almost like Jonny Stang knows what he's talking about. I wonder why that is. Because that is years and years of experience. Relative strength index, we can push the price up when we are at psychological numbers. If the relative strength index is high, and it's at 20,200, all right, don't expect too much. Just keep an eye on it. If it keeps pushing up, you know that it's trying to get above that 500 psychological number, and you get a cheeky little pump, and it feels great. It makes me feel great, and you start to see Jonny Stang going crazy again. Yes, it's not the 100% pumps that we've seen in the bull market, but they will come back. They will come back, legends. My missus hates me being premature. Oh dear. Still pumping, now hot. Got to 1 cent, please. Johnny, can I have a song for all the birds? Can you play Fuck you. Yeah, we'll play it as our song when we finish tonight. That sounds amazing. Oh my god, is it 20 past 9 already? I've got some work to do, but I'm having too much fun. I'll go in the next 5 or 10 minutes because I've pretty much exhausted everything that I need to talk about. And we will play Lily Allen. Fuck you. Screw it. Let's do it. 39 seconds on the candle. Don't know why I have crypto. I know feck all from Peter and Goldfield. You don't have to know feck all. Just come to the CryptoBits and just ask questions. All right, there's loads of experienced crypto legends in here now. The ones that stand out is obviously Jonny Stang, of course. We have Captain Euro, who's learned a hell of a lot, and his TA now is becoming ridiculously accurate. It's becoming great. Van Lesper is very good at predicting the future. Obviously not tonight, because he shorted that. Why the frick would you short that when we're at a psychological number? But it happens, all right? Van Lesper was bearish, Jonny Stang was bullish. If you're stuck with Jonny Stang, you could have made a few quid there, Van Lesper. But no, you're a stubborn Dutch git, is what you are. Peter, love this channel. Only been in crypto 2 years, you legend. Great to see you in the CryptoBits, and I hope you stay here forever and ever and ever. Eurocon, having crypto is all you need to know. Trevor, what made the bigger bang, the crypto or the grenade? Definitely the grenade. But Trevor, I've just made shitloads of money to buy loads of grenades. So it's like a double-edged sword, but in a really, really good way. You know, the bang was great, but we've made money to buy more grenades. Jeremy Hansen, don't kick V when he's down. He's Dutch. We can kick him all alive. No, right. All joking aside, we love Van Lesper. You're a freaking legend. You are like the queen of the CryptoBits. That's all I can say about that. All the Dutch people are like, you're Dutch. Come on, come at me, bro. Come at me. Just to let you know that I will be in the Netherlands in November. Some point in November, I will be across there, and we're going to have a party. It's going to be great. I think Van Lesper is going to sort out where we'll be going, because I don't have a clue where I'll be going. So, Van, the Queen. Oh my gosh, we're seeing a reversal right now. If we break above this $20,750, I am going to lose my shizzle. Honestly, I'm just going to lose it. I feel like we're going to be here for a long time. Why would I leave now when we're seeing a cheeky little reversal? The relative strength index is high. Is it a deception? Jeremy Hansen B, I hope you didn't lose too much. He shouldn't do it. Van Lesper plays safe when he's leverage trading. He doesn't like stick loads of money in. He'll probably only do a 2 or 3% leverage trade on 50 or 100 bucks. I hope. Okay. Yeah. All joking aside, when it comes to leverage trading, please be very, very careful, because it is extremely risky business. And can you see how people see crypto from two different angles? Me and Van are very, very close, all right? Extremely close. But we both work on a very, very different angle indeed. And Van Lesper saw the relative strength index. He must have seen that it was massive on the 5 minute or the 15 minute. And I was like, no, we're going to push through that resistance. And luckily, on this occasion, I was right. Luckily, on this occasion, I was right. Oh, to Charlie Kinderman, you freaking legend. What's going on, bro? Great to see you. It's always good to see Tajalin pop in. I don't even know if I'm saying his name right, but Peter, I was tempted by leverage, but then woke up. Yes, if you don't know what you're doing on a spot trade, don't freaking do leverage, okay? Please don't do it, because what will happen is you will see your money disappear to zero in a matter of minutes. Right? You're like, well, that was a waste of time. So please don't do leverage trading unless you are an experienced trader. I can see this 20,750 being a little bit of a nightmare, if I'm honest. It is going to be a little bit of a nightmare. Let's have a look at Bookmap. We haven't had a look at Bookmap for some time, and I just want to see if there is any kind of crazy resistance at that 20,750. So let's roll it up. Peter, the comedian of tonight's show. I am that thick. I thought Pump and Dump was OnlyFans channel. Bro, seriously. Right, Bitcoin USD. It's loading up. Let's move across to the Bookmap. Come on, no data received. Usually that's all right. It's loading. It's loading. It is loaded, team. So those of you that don't know what this is what's known as Bookmap, and it is the order book of Bitcoin. So we can see what resistance and support is there is. Oh my god, what's it doing? I can't think because it's just playing up. So this shows the high resistance and the high support levels on the order book. And those of you that don't know what an order book is, it shows you all of the exchanges put together of people that are placing buy orders and sell orders. So the higher the number on this here, this COB, that is, excuse me, that is a good representation of where the support and where the resistance is. Why can I not think? My brain's just not thinking. So those of you that don't have this, it is free to download. It's called Bookmap. And if you are interested in these kinds of movements, it is really, really important that you do get yourself Bookmap. If you really want to learn how the crypto space works and why the prices are what they are. And I think I've broken it. Why is it not working? Come on, Bookmap. Broken it. Okay, let me just reset it. Stand by, team. Exit without saving. Bookmap. Reloading. Bookmap. Sorry about this, legends. This is what happens with live streams. Temmuz, Johnny, what's up? It's July, bro, my time from Temmuz. It's a night out in Newcastle. Temmuz, great to see you. Great to see you. Temmuz means July in Turkish, guys. Oh, that's awesome. I take it it's your birthday in July. Some birds told me that July is going to be so hot. Temmuz, love it. Oh, the CryptoBits is just full of comedians tonight. It is absolutely full of comedians. I love it. Right, it's working now, team. It is working. Right, let me show you this Bookmap. Really, really cool piece of kit and gives you a really good indication of the market. Now, any COB price, current order price down here, that is higher than 60. It is a very, very strong level of support and also a strong level of resistance as well. So let me break it down for you. Jonny Stang is in the way, so Jonny Stang has to move. Let's move him over there for now. Okay, so team, looking at this order book, we can see right now that we have a price of 20,563. So it is a very, very good support. But 20,450 is an even better support with a score of 200. All right, looking above, look at it, right? 20,000, what is that? 700 has a score of 208, which means that the resistance is massive. Meaning, you know it, we're possibly going to consolidate at this price for quite some time. As long as we don't have some crazy breakdowns. So you can see right now that we are consolidating between those two prices. Nothing's moving. We're pretty much staying stagnant. It is currently a fight between the bulls and the bears. Can I make this any easier for you to see? No. Okay, balloons. Balloons are really, really cool. Look, you see? Look at the balls coming in! Right, big green balls means that this is massive buying pressure. Red balls means that there's massive selling pressure. So the more green balls that you get, the more Bitcoin wants to pump upwards. You see that we've got this green mass and we're getting these big pumps. If you get more red, then the price is going to come down. It's really, really simple to understand, okay? I don't tend to look at the balls. Quite frankly, they don't interest me. What I look at is the bigger picture as to where I think during the live stream the price is going to go. And look at how much buying pressure there is down here now. Great support, 20,500 for me. Fantastic support line. We just need to make sure that we can break. Look at this. This has moved. Okay, so this movement here means that people are readjusting their their selling leverage position. So that could potentially mean that we could actually come back and retest that 20,500 because the price is being pushed down to a lower price. So now we're looking at 20,700 could be the top for Bitcoin for quite some time. If we smash through it, team, then that becomes a level of support because people have sold here. So there is not much. There's not much selling pressure for some time. Look at this. Holy crap. Where is the next? 25,000. Can you see, right? The people are not bullish. People are not bullish at all. In fact, they're extremely bearish. That is where they're putting their prices down. Look at that. 945 at 15k. So people are putting a lot of their money in at these lower prices. 15k. For me, 17k is the bottom. And it does have a high price of a high score of 304. But nobody is putting any big sell orders in. 25k. There is currently no resistance above 20,700, which does make me feel bearish. Of course it does. It would make anybody feel bearish. But it does mean that if we break above that 20,700, people will need to reposition their strategy. They've got to. The whole market will readjust. Now, this is magic, right? Because if the DXY does crash, there is no ceiling above that 20,700. So the price will freaking rocket. Not financial advice, team, but if the DXY does crash, we could actually make some really cool money off the back of it. HOT is trying to have another go as we speak. Look at it. It is here. It is trying to get above this resistance there at the 2125. Really nice numbers tonight. Very, very easy for newcomers to understand how ceilings and floors happen in the crypto space. We nailed this 2100, pump up to the upside, now touching 2125. So if you're looking at buying a car, you would not buy a car for $2,104, would you? Let's say it's $2,100 or $2,125 or $2,150 or $2,500, etc. So in terms of prices, this is all run by humans. It's not run by computers. Prices are depicted by humans. So it's real simple. Once you get hang of it, whoo, cheeky little pump. Bitcoin, massive influx of money just then. Huge. A huge volume spike. Let me show you it on the it just went crazy. Here, look. Nice big green volume. I need to have a look at the DXY in a second. HOT is going up. Team, what a freaking awesome night. All right, let's go to 3 screens and have a look at the DXY. This is great to see. Captain Euro is going to get his wish because I need to have a look at some screens. Come on, load up. Here we go. Search.
Look inside your tiny mind, then look a bit harder. Cause we're so uninspired, so sick and tired of all the hatred you harbor. So you say it's not okay to be gay, well I think you're just evil. You're just some racist who can't tie my laces. Your point of view is medieval. Well, that's not how you find it. Do you really enjoy living a life that's so hateful? Cause there's a hole where your soul should be. You're losing control of it, and it's really distasteful. You think we need to go to war? Well, you're already in one. Cause it's people like you that need to get slew. No one wants your opinion. Stay
That was for Captain Euro, you absolute legend. Whilst I've been looking, I've just seen this, and this is really, really cool piece of information here from the Daily HODL. I do like the Daily HODL. I've used the Daily HODL now for quite some time, for a lot of years now, and they do some really, really honest work. So stuff that they're saying really gets me excited. So this is from the Daily HODL yesterday, 4th of no, it isn't, from the 4th of May. So this is quite a long time ago. But really, really cool information. Crypto winter unlikely as astonishing user growth dwarfs internet adoption. And Raoul Paul, who was the former Goldman Sachs executive, has said that Raoul Paul expects there to be billions of new cryptocurrency users by the end of the decade, despite any jitters investors may currently feel about the markets. In the new discussion about recession and inflation on the Real Vision Finance YouTube channel, the micro guru digs into historical data comparing crypto adoption rates versus the early years of the internet. And he says crypto adoption is now massively outperforming the internet. It's been growing about 165% a year versus 85% for the internet for the same time period. Now, this is the fastest adoption of any technology in all human history. We are going to get 5 billion users by 2030. Full-scale adoption of crypto is a technology for the internet of value and a host of other things. And 1 billion users comes in 2024, even when lowering the rate of growth again. I'm not assuming the growth stays as red hot as it has been. In fact, growth has been slowing. Obviously, if you look at the growth curve of Bitcoin, we are looking at that slowing. So there is a good 8, maybe 12 years left of some incredible gains, and then you'll just see steady incremental gains to the upside. And it does kind of show that here with the crypto users versus the internet users. And we are really pushing with Bitcoin much higher than what the internet adoption was. Great time to be in crypto? I personally think so. Yes, that's why I'm putting thousands and thousands of pounds into crypto. I think it's the magnitude of what is happening, and you can own this. Unlike the internet, it's much easier to own because you own a share of the network by owning the crypto. Right now, we are seeing a price movement down for crypto. We've just touched that 20,500. Okay, it was expected because that's where the support is. Let's quickly have a look at the bookmap, and it's looking all right. All right, we're looking pretty stable right now. Come on. Nah, it's happening. Okay, 20,400 looks to be the level of support right now with a score of 205. Let me show you that. It's here. You see why it's important to take profits on a pump? 20,400 could be our next level of support. The price here is 200. The score of 206 for support is great, but looks like we're getting a recovery pump right now. 20,500. Doja candle happening right now. There is a lot to talk about at this price. Let's just hope that we do consolidate. I would hate to see this losing any momentum. We want this. This is what we really want. We want this to drop. What I'm possibly going to do, I think what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to leave Holo like that. And I'm also going to leave the DXY like this. So you can keep an eye on what is going on with the DXY. We are moving back up, 20,530. Scary little movement, team. A wick down, touch support and bounce back up. But it's good. It confirms support for me. That's what it does. What a great night we're having tonight, legends. Oh no, here it comes. Yuricon, Slick Sumos, music. Peter, shall I sell my SC and buy Holo? No, okay. It's up to you what you do with your money, Peter. but don't keep all your eggs in one basket. It's a massive risk, okay? I do not envision HOT going to zero, okay? But there are going to be some cryptos that do go to zero. Look at Luna, for example. Nobody was expecting that. And yeah, I lost money on Luna. I didn't have that much in Luna. Captain Euro, look at WhatsApp, Johnny. Okay, I'm looking. I'm looking at WhatsApp right now. Right. Why do you want me to look at, Fred? I don't have any messages from you. I'm looking at WhatsApp and I can't see anything. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what Fred wants me to look at on WhatsApp. Anyway, sweets are real good tonight. Dangerous is at 20,500. Okay, I've got a message from Fred. Ah, okay. I have a video. It showed me a video of the crypto charts, and it's a Lily Allen version of this song. I'll post it across to the Discord for you all to have a look at if you're interested. Looks pretty good. Lily Allen Birds edition, amazing. I'm sure what happens is when it gets to FU that the price obviously drops. That's what we're seeing in the bull market. The bear market, sorry, the start of the bear market. So awesome, legends! I've had a really good night. It's 21:45. It's time for me to bugger off and get something to eat because I'm freaking starving. I've had a really good night. It's great to see this movement or this recovery pump for Bitcoin. Please, I'm going to keep this US dollar index on tonight, so keep an eye on it. If we do see some stark movement to the downside, then we are going to see a continuation pump for Bitcoin going forward. So if we move that, let's move it to the 15-minute so you can all see what is going on in more detail, like that. Oops. Move that back there for Holo and also that for Bitcoin. We'll keep an eye on these charts tonight because I'm super excited what's going to happen here with the DXY. G-Man, what's going on, G-Man? Bloody hell, I haven't seen you for ages. You've changed your name from G-Man to G-Mun. I like it. I like it when people change their name. G-Man, legend, great to see you. Captain Euro, sell now or hodl? Well, that 20,750 should have been the sell price. I'm not selling. Okay, I'm going to carry on holding because if the price does come back down, it's really not going to affect my current circumstance at all. So, but if you have a lot of money, certainly in Bitcoin, holy crap, you know that's a good $1,000 that you've made since 4 o'clock this evening. So yeah, relative strength index being as high as it is, it would technically say sell. But the caveat, right, is this: the US dollar currency index. People are watching this like a hawk, hoping that the US currency index is, it's tearing bearish. Okay, the US currency index right now is now below that 21 EMA, meaning that it's hit a resistance. It's using that 21 EMA as a push down. 21 EMA is pushing the price down. So if it does come down to that 55 and break below the 55, we could actually see a push from that 106 down to the 105, which would be great. Absolutely fantastic for Bitcoin and obviously our beloved Holo. So there we go. There we go. Carry on talking. I'll run the show. I'll continue with the show for a few minutes before I reset the charts, reset the stream for tonight. So, legends, stay out of trouble. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. It is, what are we on, Tuesday? So, yes, I will be live tomorrow night. Hopefully it's normal 8 p.m. if I'm not busy with work. But stay out of trouble. Have a wonderful night. And, of course, as always, you freaking legends. You're amazing. Love you all to bits. Stay out of trouble. And don't do a thing I would do, which is freaking nothing. Just go crazy. Have a good night. Stay out of trouble. See you later. Peace, you freaking legends.
Sweet redemption, I would never let